You said you have the small arms, you have everything else. What would you want? Because we were looking at, my conversations up until now is, okay, we were looking to get small arms, drones, etc.
Drones are useful, and I think that's why we are going to train those drones. Like I've said, if we can have capacity to deal with the helicopter, that would be...
Drones and basic anti-air.
Yeah.
The stuff's available, but it's just expensive, and it's...
Drones are cheaper than anti-air.
Far more cheaper.
Far more cheaper.
But the stuff is available.
Yeah.
And they can deal with the helicopter.
Depending the range, depending, it's...
Maybe on the ground, but I don't know.
Helicopters are vulnerable, because when they're hovering, they're easy to take out.
Exactly.
And if you know where they land, if you know where they take off, if you see them coming in, they're not moving that fast. They're very vulnerable to small arms fire. I'm not sure, from what I've looked at, Ugandan military is using Russian choppers.
Yeah, Mi-24,
Hinds and hips.
These are already have been proven vulnerable in Ukraine from drones.
Yeah,
and I don't expect that they have any sophisticated counter-drone, capabilities.
So this is where we need to look at those choppers and see, we need to find out what they've got and just work out the weak spots.
Can you find this information for us?
I told you we have some people in the Air Force itself.
Okay. Yeah. So again, we can do that ourselves, just assess and see what the guys have been doing over there and what's working and what's not.
Yeah.
I can get him, have a meeting with an Air Force officer who is involved in this.
Yeah, so we can work on that. What else? The air and the drones. That saves us time. Again.
And he also got some money from neighboring areas from Rwanda.
Okay.
At that time, Rwanda had issues. But you see, the one thing you need to understand is that the discontent in the country is massive and united.
Under you?
United, so they will be united under whatever is potent to do something. Previously, they have been united under me.
Okay.
In 2021, I didn't contest. I didn't get into the elections. And I told them the reason why I was not going to get into the elections. And that's why Bobby Wine rose up. Yes. I've been working with Bobby Wine, but my assessment is that he's not serious enough to go all the way where we want to go. But his people are what you could call these followers. They're the same followers that we had. So those are, but I don't. In his leadership group, I don't see the resolve, the capacity to push all the way. They don't like to take the kind of risks that must be taken.
Violence.
Yeah. You have to take the risks, and I think some of the people he's working with are also working with the government. In other words, infiltrated.
Okay.
So, but my own sense and approach is that if we start activity, it will prompt all the population will support the